माझें नाव शिबानी सिंग, हांव म्हापशेचें आनी हांवें आतां BBA कंप्लीट केलां DMC कॉलेजीन आनी आय एम द रनर अप फॉर मिस गोवा 2022. सो जेन्ना हांवें क्राउन जिखलेलें तेन्ना म्हाजो एकट्या फ्रेंडान फेसबुकार घातलेलें पोस्ट. आफ्टर दॅट आय स्टार्टेड गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ हेट्रेड मेसेजीस लायक गोवन कशें आतां मिस सिंग जावन मिस गोवा कशें जालें आनी हें आनी तें. बट आय वूड लायक टू टेल एवरी वन आय एम वेरी मच गोवन because my father came here around 25 years ago and I'm here since 21 years ago. So then I would like to say that I'm Goan, I'm not outsider. So I was born in Goa, my schooling and everything is in Goa. So I studied, first I was in boarding in Pongurpa, and then after that in 4th standard I came in Saligaon. So my schooling is completely done in Lutz Convent High School in Saligaon, and then I started my 11th and 12th standard in DMC College. And since there I'm studying there, even my BBA I have completed there itself. And speaking about modeling, it's like when I was around 18 years old, when I was in my 12th standard, so there was a professor in my college, he told me, why don't you try modeling? And I was like, I don't think so, I'm made for that. So he's like, let's give it a try. So same one of my friends, she was a fashion designer. So she said, I have a fashion show here. So would you like to come and just display my clothes on yourself? So I said, I'm not that comfortable and I'm not that confident in self because I don't know anything about it. So she brought me there, and then from there my first show happened in Alteen. There's a college of fashion designing. From there I started my this, and Kala Academy was the show which happened over there. And that's how being into modeling was not easy for me because I come from a very conservative family. But then my parents supported me a lot, and today whatever I have achieved here till now, it's just because of them. So then when I went to audition over there, म्हाका थंय खूब जाणां अशी भुरगीं दिसली लायक चेडवां ते खूब एक्सपिरियन्स असले, and I was like a bit scared also. I was like I won't fit over here. But then again I just did it. So I just walked over there on the ramp, and they liked me. सगळ्यांक माझे walk मी आवडले. So तेंच्यांनी म्हटले की let's give her a chance. So then my first show was not that great because I didn't walk that great because आनी थंय खूब जाणां अशी असली चेडवां कोण खूब एक्सपिरियन्स अशी असली. So like today I would say ki I have learned from there. So it was good. It was a good experience. I learned from the experience, and that's how I became. I just loved it, and I am here today.
Welcome to Sunshine Hospital, where excellence meets compassion. We specialize in diabetology, laparoscopic laser surgery, cardiology, acidity, and pain management. Our mission is to provide healing and hope to every life we touch, with kindness, integrity, and respect. Our vision is to become a world-class medical center, providing service that is conscious and optimal at an affordable cost to all citizens under one roof. Meet our doctors. They are well qualified, well experienced, good communicators, and empathetic towards the patient's needs. They embody the core values of compassion and excellence. When you or a loved one needs care, turn to Sunshine Hospital. Not only do we have all the latest technology, but our facilities are designed with your comfort in mind. Our goal is to offer the best possible care for you and your loved ones.
When I was there, so a lot of photographers saw me over there on the ramp. खूब जाण fashion designer and photographers सगळ्यांनी म्हाका अशें पयलें थंयसर. And they started approaching me on my Instagram, on my Facebook and everything. And I started collaborating with them for the shoots and everything. And that's how people started knowing me in Goa. And from there, I started doing a lot of shoots in Goa. And after that, outside Goa, people started calling me and saying there's assignment and everything. So then I used to go there. So it's been almost 2 years I'm doing this, and I have worked like all over India, like whether it's Bombay, whether it is Gujarat, Pune, Chandigarh, like all the places I have covered with my assignments and projects. So people know me very well in all the states of India. Goyan, suppose म्हणपाक गेले जाल्यार हांवें Monticelli, I worked for him. By the way, the outfit is also of his. And I have worked for Pama DeMello also. She's a well-known designer. In Bangalore and Mohan, there's a designer known as Mohan. I worked for him also. And there's also one in Delhi, Sona karke. So I have worked for her. So a lot of designers I have worked like that in outside Goa. Goa is a place where people be like, see from Goa, so like a lot of party place, this place, that and all. So it will be cool for her to do any kind of shoot, this and that. So when I used to speak, then I used to change the thing of Goa. I used to say no, Goa is not only famous for their kind of beaches or parties or anything, but it's overall we have famous for our heritage, plus our good places like rivers and lot of history of Portuguese and everything. So we are famous for that also. So I used to change the perspective. You don't just come here to party, but also to learn about Goa, how the Goan people have put their name on top. Like, because wherever people go, they first be like, they have to come in Goa. We are also famous for our food, authentic food, what we get here, it's very nice. So I try to tell them, and now whoever my friends are, they are always happy whenever they come here. They always want to go to have a nice authentic food in different kind of local restaurants in Goa.
Hi, I am Kaushal Palekar.
Hi, I am Ketan Golatkar.
Hanuman Neglur,
Rahul Desai,
Neeraj Bandekar,
Prasad Deshpande.
Hi, I am Rupesh Samant.
I'm associated with
Goa News Hub.
Goa News Hub.
Goa News Hub.
Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Like us.
Share us
And subscribe us.
Download our app from Google Play Store.
for latest news updates.
Visit www.goanewshub.com.
Keep watching us.
I have done a lot of modeling assignments. So I have done recently a soap ad, which my entire banner and everything is in Karnataka, Bangalore. It's there in the soap ka name was X-Fly soap. So there I have done for them soap, and I have done a lot of print shoots for outfits in Jaipur. I have done calendar shoots in Delhi. Also I have done calendar shoots. So like that, a lot of shoots I have done. Product shoots also. In Hyderabad, I have done a lot of for one real estate company. So one of my banner is there also. When I was walking a show in Delhi, over there we had a chief guest, Radhika Apte. So she really liked my outfit, the way I was carrying it and the way I was walking it. So she really came and complimented me, and she said that you're going to have a nice bright future. So that's one of the best experience I had. My feeling that time was like top of the world. I started getting butterflies in my stomach and everything. I was like, seriously, she was like a fashion diva for us, the way she carries herself. So it was a big compliment for me coming from her. My inspiration, I would say, is Kendall Jenner. She is world's topmost model. Though she haven't done any kind of pageants, but still she is the highest paid model in the entire world. So I look up to her and I really want to be like her. Her style, her aura is really different and I really like her. As far as India is concerned, I look up to Sushmita Sen. I like her height, the way she walks and her dusky skin. So I really look up to her because she have done a lot of things in modeling in India and have given a lot of name for India.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
हर पल तूफान से टकराती है जिंदगी हर कदम कांटों पे लहराती है जिंदगी
मायूसी के अमन में चेतना की ज्वाला दहकती रहे यही है प्रयास अंगारों पे चलना क्या है हम खुद शोले बनकर रचे नया इतिहास
हम सैनिक स्कूल के जवान सदा चले सीना तान
हमें न रोक सके कोई आंधी या तूफान
देश के रक्षा में मर मिटना ये है हमारी शान
हमारे स्कूल का हमें है अभिमान
हम अंबोली सैनिक स्कूल के जवान सदा चले सीना तान
As far as Goa is concerned, I don't think Goa has a lot of opportunities for fashion industry or any kind of industry if you see, because Goa has less opportunity for everything over here. So if anyone wants to make their name in or want to grow in this industry, they have to move out of Goa. Otherwise, nothing gonna happen. So Goa has very less opportunity, and so then everyone has to move out of Goa, like go in Bombay, wherever, but something where there is an industry for it. Lately in Goa, things have started changing. So we have seen a lot of opportunity in Goa, shooting things are happening in Goa, and they require local models over here. So now it is a lot of exposure that Goan models are getting, and it is growing. The industry is growing. It will take some time, but then I think definitely the future models of Goa will get a chance over here to work, and they won't move out of Goa. When people from outside come in Goa to shoot in Goa, so we see that they search for local talents. आणि हांव सांगूंक सोदता की आमची गोंयची चलयां सुद्दां आसा ते कमी ना. We are much competent like Delhi or Bangalore or Bombay girls. Modeling is a profession where people think that models, whoever enter into modeling, are accessible. You know, they are very bold and you can take them anyway or can do anything. So it's not that. It depends upon a model first of all, how they want to portray themselves. And modeling industry, it's a profession for us. Like how for everyone, like football or acting is a profession. For us, modeling is a profession, and we do it very nicely and we work within our limits. We don't cross our limits, or we are not accessible for people out there. Secondly, I would like to say modeling profession is not so easy. Overnight, no one can become the model because it's very tough. We have to develop a lot of skill, lot of patience, and a lot of hard work is required. We have to maintain ourselves. We have to know how to talk, how to walk, how to maintain ourselves in front of public, because we are the people where people look up to us. They see our behavior. So it's not easy. We don't become model overnight. We have to work hard for it. Like any normal model, we also have ups and downs in our life. So we have to forget everything and we have to perform ourselves on the stage with a bright smile and be ready for any kind of challenges what comes across. I just came across this AB production page through Instagram, and I thought of applying there because this was the biggest pageant which happens in Goa, and it has a lot of name in Goa and outside Goa because they give platform for models and the winners outside Goa in Miss India also. So I came across them and I auditioned for them, and that's how I got selected, and today I'm the first runner-up for them. I feel pageants are something which gives you a lot of exposure. I am doing modeling since so many years, but then still I haven't got that name, that fame in Goa or any other part, if I say like that exposure. So I've thought of doing this so that everyone knows me, I get that exposure, and it's like you boost your confidence. The way you are there, you have to compete with a lot of people and you get that confidence over there to speak, to perform. So that's how it comes, the confidence comes from pageants. Pageants are a lot of good thing of learning and grooming yourself. And I'm also definitely sure that you wouldn't have called me to this program if I wouldn't be participating in this contest and winning a title here. Some tips I want to give to young girls who want to come into this profession. Firstly, choose wisely, because this profession is not a cakewalk, it's not that easy. You have to maintain yourself, you have to groom yourself. So choose a good mentor and groom yourself. Secondly, always consult a senior who would guide you in this profession, who would show you a nice path, how to go about it. Thirdly, give some time for the profession, because you don't get fame or success overnight. It takes time. So halt and groom yourself, choose a good mentor, and the success will follow your way. Don't be in a hurry to achieve success and take wrong paths, so give it a time. Fourth, there is no shortcuts for this profession. You have to go to all the stages of this line and have to give time for it. Last but not the least, the very important point I would like to say is this profession is not something bad. So firstly, convince your parents saying that this is not a wrong profession. It's a profession where you can get a pride for your country by representing your country to an international level and also your state. So this is a profession which gives you pride or brings you pride. Lastly, I would like to thank each and every one of y'all who supported me, my parents, my teachers, my mentors, my friends, my family, and also the people who criticize me, because I think they give me more power to perform and be here.
Follow Goa News Hub on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.